Integrated Farm, Laksamana Farm, story of nature, animals, and young dream. Hello, my name is Laksamana Habibi. I am 9 years old from Asakina Islamic Integrated Elementary School. And I want to tell you a story about my favorite place in the world, Laksamana Farm. Every morning when the sun rises and the air feels fresh and cool, the farm slowly wakes up. The chickens start clucking around, the ducks walk happily into the water, and the cows and goats stretch as, as if they're saying good morning. This is not just any farm. This is a place where nature, animals, and people live together like one big family. At Laksamana Farm, every animal has its own special role. The cows and goats don't just live here. They make the soil rich and healthy. The rabbits hop around gently, becoming a part of, of a smart and eco-friendly system. The chickens, ducks, and geese bring joy, energy, and fresh food every single day. But the most amazing thing is, nothing here is wasted. What some people call waste, we turn into something useful. Animal waste becomes natural compost that help plants grow strong and green. Leftover materials are reused again and again. It's like magic, but it's actually something we call zero waste farming. On this farm, everything is connected. Everything has a purpose and everything matters. As I walk around the farm, I learn something new every single day. How to take care of the animals, how to respect nature, and how small actions can make a big change. Laksamana Farm is not just a place to grow food. It's a place to grow ideas, dreams, and hope. People who visit can see how farming can work together with nature, not against it. They can feel the fresh air, hear the sounds of happy animals, and understand how important it is to protect our environment. And even because the world needs more places like this. And even though I'm still young, I believe we can all help take care of our planet, starting from simple things. This is my story. This is our farm. A farm where we take care of nature, work together, and build a better future. And and yesterday I found a bird and I made a nest for it. Look, I call it Pukutuk because because it's a chirping bird. He likes to eat bananas, and every time he gets warm and his mom has gone away and I'm saving it from cats because cats always eat birds. Even in the US, cats hundreds of thousands of birds got killed by cats every single month. I will protect the earth starting from this little bird to make a big farm and zero waste. Let's protect nature and animals just from simple things. See you next